opening. Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a crucial aspect of project management on Jira: how to successfully link and block an issue. By the end of this video, you'll master this feature, enhancing your project's organization and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. So, let's dive in. Tutorial. First things first, you need to start with the issue you want to link from. It might be a bug, a task, a user story, you name it. Go ahead, open it up. Having the right issue up front will set the foundation for our next steps. Now, we're going to locate the link issue field. Now, depending on how your Jira is configured, this might be a bit of a treasure hunt. It could be sitting right there on the issue details panel, or you might need to do a little bit of digging around. Check the More menu or the plus icon. Don't worry if you can't find it right away. Jira's flexible setup allows each team to tailor it according to their needs. Once you've spotted the link issue field, click on it. This will open up a dialog box, which is the gate to establishing the connection you need. In this dialog box, spot the link type dropdown. It's here you'll make an important selection. You can choose from a few options, but we're focusing on two: blocks and is blocked by. These allow you to set the interdependencies between issues. If the issue you're currently working on is preventing another one from moving forward, opt for blocks. However, if another issue is holding up the current one, choose is blocked by. Having a clear understanding of issue dependencies helps streamline progress. So don't rush this part. Now it's time to find the target issue, the one you want to establish this link with. You'll see a search box where you can type either the issue key, it looks something like ABC123, or the summary of the issue. Don't worry if you don't remember the exact term. Jira is smart enough and will offer suggestions as you type, making your work a whole lot easier. Once you see the correct issue among the suggestions, select it. Being careful with this step ensures you link the right issues, maintaining clarity in your project's flow. The final step is simple. Just click the link button. Poof! You've created the link and effectively set up a blockage where necessary. Closing. And that, my friends, is how you link and block issues in Jira. You're now one step closer to taming the organized chaos that is project management and ensuring your team has a clear understanding of issue dependencies. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and do drop a comment if you have any questions. We're always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this one. Until next time, happy project managing.